Hello, this is Dr. DJ LeDrew from Full Potential Chiropractic, and this video is going to be about my 3 favorite stretches to help with low back pain, herniated discs, sciatica. I'm going to share 3 very safe ways to stretch your low back that can help alleviate the pain that you have from some of those conditions. Be sure to share this with your friends, or if you have any questions, fire it on Facebook. You can ask us any questions, we'll be happy to answer. So what we see in the office, because in this day and age we tend to sit so much, we get this adaptive shortening of our hip flexor muscles, or our psoas, our hamstrings, and then our glutes tend to tighten up. So I want to show you 3 safe exercises that will help lengthen those muscles, and that'll help alleviate some of the pain that you're getting. Okay, so first stretch I'm going to do is going to be for your hip flexor muscle. Okay, so what I want you to do is just get into a lunge. Okay. And the key thing with this lunge is that we want to make sure that your knee's over top of your ankle. Okay, so when you do this, we don't want your knee coming over top of your ankle because that can hurt your knee, or being too far back. Okay, so you can have your back knee on the ground, and you just bring that leg forward. And the first thing that we're going to do is just kind of tuck our pelvis, engage our core, and then lean forward. Okay, and I'm already feeling a stretch here. And I want you to hold this for 45 seconds. You can intensify this stretch just by simply raising that arm. Okay, so you're just coming into this position and you're going to hold that for 45 seconds. Okay, so you shouldn't feel any pain with this. We want a nice stable position, and you'll feel a nice long stretch through that quad and into that psoas muscle. Okay, so that's exercise number 1. Next one I want you to do is going to be for your hamstrings. When I look at a lot of people doing hamstring stretches, what I'll see is they'll bend over and really try and get to their toes. They're actually doing it incorrectly. And if you have a herniated disc, you put yourself at risk to cause even more damage. So I'm going to show you a way to do it where it's actually taking all the pressure off of your back. You can do it in this position, in good body position, but I find it's much safer just to take that element out of it and go right into your, right onto your back. And what you're going to do, if you're having really acute low back pain, you're going to want to keep both legs up. Otherwise, if you're not in significant pain, you can keep that one leg down. And then all I'm going to do is just wrap this strap around my ankle. You can do it with a towel as well. So here we're just going to come up. You're going to pull your shoulders down and in. I don't want your shoulders up high, so really pull those down and in, and then you tuck your chin. Okay? And then all I'm going to do is pull this up here. Okay? And you just simply hold that for 45 seconds. You're going to want to do both of these stretches, the lunge stretch and this one, 3 times on each leg for 45 seconds. I really like you to hold those stretches for 45 seconds. That's how we increase the length of a muscle, and we can get an adaptive lengthening on that muscle, and it just takes time, so you got to hold that. Next stretch I'm going to do is actually going to be for the glute muscles. Okay, so this stretch, what we're going to do, we'll have our knees here like this. We're going to just cross our one leg over, okay, and then you're going to put your hands through and grab behind your knee. I want you to bring your head back down, so you're not hunched up like this. You're going to bring your head down, and I just kind of picture as strings pulling my head straight up. Okay, and that helps me get out of my neck. And here, and you're just going to pull this stretch in like so. Okay, so you're keeping your shoulders down and you're pulling here. So again, we don't want to shrug up. We pinch our shoulder blades down together and pull here like so. And I'm feeling a nice stretch all along here. So again, we're going to hold that for 45 seconds. And you do it 3 times each side. And I recommend, if you're having acute low back pain, you do that every day. If you're getting any sort of discomfort or anything going into the legs with this, I want you to stop immediately. And if you're finding that you do this for a week or 2 and you're not getting any results, there's likely an imbalance in your pelvis, or something's out of alignment in your back that may be pinching the nerve. So I strongly recommend you get that checked, and we'd be happy to do that. If you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to write a comment, or you can easily call the office and we'll be happy to take a look at 403-204-0084. Have an awesome day.